Hello everyone, this is Dhruva. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, kindly hit that subscribe button and notification bell so that you do not miss out on any latest updates. This video is going to be helpful for those who are starting off with their makeup journey or are looking for budget friendly options. So without wasting any time, let's build our makeup kit under ₹1000. So first up, let's talk about primers. I think a primer can make all the difference, especially when it comes to make your makeup look last longer. I would recommend Inside Cosmetics 3-in-1 primer. It minimizes pores, gives you that smooth base, and also make your makeup look last longer. Now the next product is foundation. I think a lightweight and easy to blend foundation is the key to beginners, and therefore I would recommend Maybelline Fit Me Plus Poreless Foundation. It is priced around ₹197 and it comes in various skin shades to suit various skin tones. Also, it gives that medium coverage and mattifying look, which is perfect for everyday wear. Please do give it a shot because it is a great choice. As a beginner, if you do not have dark circles or blemishes, then you can totally skip this one. But if you're looking for a concealer, then I would suggest Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer. It is super affordable at around ₹200 and it provides great coverage to your dark circles and blemishes. Also, it blends beautifully into the skin. To set your base, a compact powder is essential, and I would recommend Maybelline Fit Me Compact Powder, which is around ₹161. But if you're looking for something which protects your skin from sun, then you can go for Lakme Sun Expert Ultra Matte SPF 40 PA+++, which not only provides that mattifying finish but also protects your skin from sun. It is around ₹249, which is affordable, I guess. For blush, I think Inside Blush at ₹80 to 85 is a steal. It is creamy in texture, it is easy blendable, and also it is available in different shades: watermelon, strawberry, you name it. Also, a little goes a longer with this one because it is highly pigmented. For mascara, go for Swiss Beauty Waterproof Mascara. It is around ₹200 and it gives you voluminous curled lashes that last long. Last but definitely not the least, let's talk about lips. So Inside Cosmetic non-transparent liquid lipstick is just ₹98. It is available in different shades. It is highly pigmented, waterproof, and smudge proof, which makes it a smart pick, and we are smart. So these were my top recommendations under ₹1000. If you enjoyed this video and found this video to be helpful, please share it with your beginner friends and also comment down below. Bye.